Okay. Thank you, Mr. Badanim and Mr. Jin Kim for giving us 500 pesos.
For working fee. Thank you again, Mr. Badanim.
Mr. Badanim. And I hope more subscribers, likes, viewers to come in your YouTube channel and more blessings.
Thank you, and please continue support and sponsor the kids of Mr. Jin Kim here in
Cagayan de Oro City, Bunbon.
Yes, thank you again.
Thank you. God bless all. And
We're thankful and kids also for this program, teaching program in our house. Thank you very much and God bless. Thank you.
thank you.
Parang
Mr. Mohan for giving 4,000 and
This is Mona, oy. This is receipt form
for the nasal. Thank you so much.
What order car?
Of lunch.
Lunch. Receipt for study table. Receipt for study table. 1,562. Ay, paglingas ka. 1,562, Mr. Jinky. This is receipt for lunch. For 3 person, Charot, 4 person no need.
Thank you, Mr. Jin Kim, and to all subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you, and kamsahamnida. Thank you. Thank you for this Mongha name for giving 4,000 to me. Thank you so much. I buy milk for my kids and diaper for my kids and singar English abanig tisay
Mat.
mat. I buy play mat.
4, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you so much.
Thank you din ka. Also Jin Kim, thank you very much.
And
For your subscriber.
thank you to Mr. Jin Kim and to all subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you. And more subscriber to come and to support Korean subscriber. Thank you so much. God bless you. Always support Korean subscriber. Thank you so much for this. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Monghanim, for giving Monghanim. Thank you so much for the money, and this is the remaining money, Mr. Jin Kim. Thank you so much, and to Mr. Jin Kim, thank you so much. To all Korean subscribers, thank you so much for the opportunity that you gave me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Monghanim, for giving Karen for this consumo for this family of Karen Sophia. Thank you very much. Kinako ng ikon.
Mr. Badanim.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chris.
Mr. Jin Kim. And Korean subscribers. Thank you. Thank you.
Good night. Good night. Good night, mo. Good night.
Anak.
Mama, chup-chup ganda. Mama, chup-chup
And,
ganda.
okay. And
Ito si Karen.
Karen Brum Brum.
School bus.
Sakay ka, boom boom. Atagta ka.
grabe, adili guys, sa manoon, sabi mo kay Dad. Please, asan yung tag 100? Bring some.
Ipos ninyong taro na may bulsa. Di ba na bulsa? Ayaw pagubo, ayaw pagubo.
Joanna, dahil sa yatag sa kayo ng kwarto, be. Sige ako mga kay kita.